Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is Jory from Hanna Book Solutions, and today we're going to talk about how you can use Canva to create designs based off of other designs or using other graphics that you may have been provided. So today we're going to talk about event graphics, and we're going to start from a custom PDF. So in order to do that, we're going to go over here to the Upload button, and we're going to choose a file. We're going to use this one. When you upload that in, it will create a new design down here in the corner for you. So you click on that design. This is a PDF file. However, as you can see, certain things were carried over, certain things were not carried over. So in order to make sure that it looks good, we're going to adjust things in Canva by adjusting that line spacing. Going to make sure that it's the right alignment. There we go. That's how it was supposed to look. Move that back down. I'm going to add some text that says, you're invited, but we're going to use, let's say we use this one. I'm going to ungroup that, and then we're going to click this. Click enough times until you get it to select, and then you're just going to type you're invited. Adjust the size, adjust the sizing a little bit more so that it fits nicely. Perfect. And then we're going to fill in this date, time, and where by creating a new text box that says, let's make that a little bit bigger because we want this to be very readable. We're going to say December 7, 2023. To keep this style, we're going to copy it and paste it. We're going to say 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. And then we're going to move that over so that it's nice and aligned the way that we want it. But we can also just duplicate this, and that will create an exact copy that you can move around like a text box any other way that you would want to. And then say that I was having this at my local coffee shop, which is Atlas Coffee's Broadway location. And again, we're going to move that over so that fits properly. If you want to, you can also include the address here. It's probably a good idea just so that everybody knows where to go. So we're going to just type in a 123 address, street, city, state, a bunch of letters or numbers for that zip code. And that way people know exactly where to go. So that's how you would use Canva to modify a PDF if you wanted to do it that way. The other option that you can do, we're going to do this on a new page, is we're going to go over here to uploads. And let's say that somebody had given me a graphic to use based off of the book cover. Okay, so let's say we were going to use this graphic and we wanted this to be the default part of this flyer. We wanted this to be the background. So what you can do is you can click on it to put it in. I've already done that, so I'm going to remove that duplicate. And then I'm going to right click, but you can also, while it's selected with this purple box, click that more button. And then we're going to set this as the image background. Now this would perfectly match the cover in a lovely way, and we can add whatever text we want to add. I'm just going to pull from this and place it in over here by copying and pasting. And so that this fits more nicely, I'm going to adjust the sizing. In order to get this sort of masked overlaid version, I just double click with my left click. And then I'm going to move all of this to where we can see it and read it pretty easily. And because this is still a little bit hard to read, I'm actually going to fade this photo out by clicking this transparency button up at the top and adjusting that down. That way you can read everything nicely, the cover is visible, and it would match this book properly. If you're interested in what this book is, it is The Particular Appeal of Gillian Pugsley. And if I wanted to, I could put the cover there instead as well. If I wanted to do that, I don't have to do that because it would match already. People would know what I'm talking about, but that's also an option. So if somebody gives you graphics and they're blank so that you can revise them, that's how you would do it. You would upload the photo that you wanted to use into Canva with an upload files, and then you would just apply it to the background by right-clicking and clicking this little rectangle with a bunch of slashes button. But that way you can adjust PDFs as much as you need to, and you can adjust different graphics. You can change the fonts, anything you would want to do. So if there's a typo in something that they gave you, you can pretty much always adjust PDFs that were created in a digital format using Canva. All right, I hope that helps. And until next time, I'll see you then. Happy book sales. Please let me know if you have any questions about anything, any of this, or if you want me to go into any more detail. Don't forget to check out Hanna Book Solutions for all of your book marketing needs. Or if you're self-publishing and you just need a little helping hand, Jory is here to help.